Hello guys, welcome back with me today. I will teach you how to make a button. Okay guys, first of all we need to insert a screen GUI inside starter GUI.
All day and all night we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb.
After that we need to rename the screen GUI to what do you want to make. Then insert a text button inside the screen GUI, also rename it to Open.
You'd show me your art, let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars, we were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, orbit when it's gone.
Then insert a frame inside screen GUI.
Dance all night long till the lights come on.
Then add a text button into the frame.
It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be.
Then insert a local script into Open button. Open the local script and write the code like in the video.
Late nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious. We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled. It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be.
It's too late now, I remember
Add a local script inside the close button. Write the same script as the open button script. Yay, now we got a working opening and closing button.